Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a cookie banner to your Framer website. So Framer provides an official cookie banner component integrated with Google Consent Mode. This is the smoothest way to manage consent directly within your design. So to insert the component, open up the insert here at the top left corner. Now here on the search bar type in cookie banner like that and just drag it into your design. So where it is now, right here, as you can see, so cookie settings, you can see it here. Now you can configure properties, select the banner to adjust settings in the right hand properties panel. As you can see here, you can see GTM ID connected to your Google Tag Manager container for tracking. Then we also have regional behavior. Regional behavior is basically customize different consent options for user in the EU versus the rest of the world. Then we have appearances, so tweak some fonts, colors and layout. And here you can also have show trigger, so like that, and yeah, show trigger if you want users to be able to reopen the banner to change settings later. Yeah, now if you are on plan that doesn't support the built-in component or you need specialized compliance, you can use a service like Cookie.yes, so something like that. From here, you will create an account on a platform like this Cookie.yes or Cookiebot, customize your banner and copy the provided installation script. Now you will have it something like that, as you can see here. Now let's go back to the Framer and open your project settings. So you will find project settings right here at the top right corner, right over here. Click on it and then go to the custom code and paste the script into the start of, so add script, and here you will paste in what you have copied from Cookie.yes, and at the end add to that. And yeah, then you need to save your changes and publish the site. The banner will now be loaded automatically from the third-party server. So this is basically it, how you can do that. If this helped you out, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the